Hi everybody, it's Amber. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is going to be super fun and quick, and I hope that you will enjoy it. So in today's video, we're going to be making, as you can see, bookmarks. So I'm still going strong with these scraps that I had left over from a couple of videos ago when I made these really cute traveler's scrapbooks. And I had scraps left over from when I cut down my paper. And with some of the scraps, I made these in another video. Super cute. I hope you'll check that one out if you've missed it. And then with the rest of the scraps, which were this shape right here, we're going to be making some super cute bookmarks. Now, I've made bookmarks here on my channel before, and they're super easy. So I'm going to show you how I make a bookmark, and you can kind of take it and make it your own. So all you're going to need are some strips of paper that measure 2 by 6. So I just had to do a little bit of trimming from the scraps that I had, but these measure 2 by 6. And then you also need like a middle page to make it a little more sturdy. I'm just using craft cardstock cut down to 2 by 6. And then the back of the bookmark, I usually use book pages like from an old book, and in this case I used some magazine pages from a Daphne's Diary magazine that I've already read and enjoyed, and so I went ahead and cut it apart into 2 by 6 strips. So this is what the bookmarks look like. They're super cute. So this is the beautiful Maggie Holmes Garden Party design paper, and then I just have an eyelet from We Are Memory Keepers. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I just have some satin ribbon and twine, and then on the back is the magazine page. And again, I also love using book pages for these too. So here's my other one that I made, the beautiful design paper. I used a white eyelet on this one. And here is the back. I also love to ink the edges with my Tim Holtz Distress ink, but ever since trying to organize my craft room and rearranging, I can't find my little sponge thing. So, but normally I would ink the edges with some Distress ink. Okay, so those are the two I've made so far. They went super quick, and we're going to make one here together right now. Okay, again, so all you need is a piece of scrapbook paper and a piece of like cardstock to go in the middle, and then either a book page or a magazine page that measure 2 by 6. So all we're going to do is just add adhesive to our scrapbook paper. Make sure you get it all the way to the edge. Add plenty. And then I'm going to take my piece of craft cardstock just to make this a little more sturdy and line it up exactly with that scrapbook paper. Just going to press that with my bone folder. So now I'm just going to add adhesive to this. Now I'm going to add this scrap of a magazine page. So make sure I line that up straight. And I'm just going to burnish it down. Be sure not to tear your page because some of the book pages and the magazine pages can be pretty thin. So now you have your little bookmark coming along really well. So then what you do is you want to make this a tag topper. So you can either just snip the 2 corners and punch a hole here. So in my case, I have this tag topper punch. It's like my favorite punch ever from my friend Patty. And I like to use this for my bookmarks. So I'm just going to stick it in here, and you can really find tag topper punches anywhere. I just bought a different one that does like 3 different sizes at Hobby Lobby, so you might want to just check your craft store, or I'll link some below that are similar to this one. So now we have our cute little top, and I like to use my We Are Memory Keepers eyelets. So I keep them in here, and I think I want to use like a pretty pink one. Let's see. So these are perfect because they go with the Cropodile. So here's the one that I chose. So this goes along with the Cropodile from We Are Memory Keepers, and I've shown you this on my channel before, but you just stick this on the top chomper part and it sets your eyelet just like that. So there it is, and then it set the eyelet. So I'm going to link all of this stuff below because I've had these in my stash for years and years and I never stop using them. I love them so much, especially these wide ones. And it works perfectly with this Cropodile, which is another awesome tool to have in the craft room. And you totally don't have to use an eyelet if you don't want to. You can just punch the hole and feed the ribbon through it. It'll be fine. Okay, so now that we have that, I like to take some ribbon, and I'm going to use this gingham ribbon and just cut off a little length of it. And I'm just going to feed one side through like this. And then I'm going to bring them up like this to meet, and I'm going to trim these down, but I like to do it this way for bookmarks. So then I'm just going to grab some of my twine, and then you just simply use the twine to tie the ribbon together. So it has that ribbon sticking up, perfect for a bookmark. So I'm just going to kind of hold my finger right there. So it's centered, and then tie this in a double knot. Then I like to trim the twine just a little, and of course trim these so they're a little more perky. And there is our cute bookmark. I think it turned out so adorable. And we've got our other two here. So here they are, and then here's the back. I think that just looks super artsy and cute. Perfect for a book lover. You can give them this with like a little packet of tea, and that would be a perfect little gift. So I've got all these other ones cut out. I think I have like 6 or 7 more I can make, and I cut down some paper. So I will probably end up doing that, but I just wanted to share this with you. It was super easy, and let me show you the perfect little sleeve that you can use to sell these at your craft fair or to gift to a friend. So I have these from clearbags.com. I'm going to link this exact one below with a coupon code, but these ones are the open ones that don't have adhesive on them, and I love using these for bookmarks. They're perfect. You just slip it right in there, and it's nice and packaged up for like your craft fair, or if you want to send this as a gift to somebody. So with all the beautiful scrapbook paper we have, and you can always use scraps of an old magazine or book. The possibilities are endless with these, and this just makes it have such a nice presentation, or give them at a tea party or anything. I think they're super, super cute. Okay, so there they are, all packaged up. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you very soon in the next video. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Bye!